Okay, so now let's see what the question says. The question states, in the figure given below, P is a point on the side BC, which we can clearly see that P here is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC, such that PC is equal to twice BP. So given here is PC is twice BP. Okay, and Q is a point on AP. So Q here is a point on AP such that QA is equal to 5 times PQ, right? Okay, find what you need to find: area of triangle AQC is to area of triangle ABC. This is something that you need to find. Okay. Now, what is the theorem that we shall use here? The theorem that we shall use here, I stated in the beginning only, that if two triangles have the same altitude or have the same height, when I say same altitude or same height means what? They are between the same parallel lines. Then the ratio of the areas must be equal to the ratio of their bases. Okay. Okay. So once we know this, look at this figure now. In this figure, it is given that PC is equal to twice BP, right? So let's see what is PC and what is BP. PC is this length, right? And BP is this length, right? So length of PC is twice of BP. That means I can write PC by BP must be equal to 2, right? Now if you see, PC is the base of which triangle? PC is the base of this triangle, right? You agree? PC is the base of this triangle. BP is the base of which triangle? BP is the
Triangle APC.
APB. This BP is the base of this triangle, right? Clear? Am I understood? BP is the base of this triangle. And why do I say it is the base of this triangle? Because see, from A, if I draw an altitude or a height, right? Let us call this N. So draw AN perpendicular to BC. Then if you see, AN is the height of triangle APC, that is AN is the height of this triangle, right? Isn't it? And what else? AN is the height of which other triangle? AN is also the height of this triangle. Now see, check and see whether you have understood. AN is also the height of this triangle with BP as the base. Can we say or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So therefore, then that means these two triangles, triangle APC and triangle ABP, they have the same base. They have the same altitude. In fact, the altitudes are equal, which is equal to AN, isn't it? That means the ratio of the areas must be equal to ratio of the bases. So therefore, we can write area of triangle ABP or APC divided by, let us call this 1. Area of triangle ABP must be equal to PC by BP. We can write or not? Triangles having the same height or altitude have ratio of the areas, same height, let's call this AN, have ratio of their areas equal to the ratio of their bases. Right? So what can I say now? From 1, therefore from 1, What can I write? Area
Excuse
of,
me, sir.
tell me.
Sir, Shaili is trying to enter from long time, but sir, you are
Okay,
not giving her
okay.
entry.
Area of triangle, I got it. Area of triangle ABP is equal to PC by BP, right? What is PC by BP here? From 1, it is equal to 2, right? So that means what can I say about the ratio of these two, area of these two triangles? Area of triangle APC is 2. Area of triangle ABP is equal to 2:1. I can say, right?
Yes, sir.
That means let's just write it in the reverse order. Area of triangle ABP is 2. Area of triangle APC is equal to 1:2, right? Let's call this 2. We'll be using this a little later. Keep an eye on what you need to prove. You need to prove AQC ABC. Ratio of which two triangles? These two. AQC and ABC. That means the largest triangle, right? You have to find out the ratio of these two triangles. Okay. Now what other ratio is given here? QA and PQ. QA is equal to 5 times PQ. That means QA is this length and PQ is this length, right? So ratio of these two lengths are given to you, right? Now if you see, I want to bring this triangle into the picture. This triangle into the picture, right? Because I already have triangle APC here, right? You see, so APC, I want to bring this into the picture. How do I bring this into the picture? See, if I consider this as my base, this becomes my altitude, right? Let us call this
Yes, sir.
M. So if I draw CM perpendicular to AP, draw CM perpendicular to AP, then what happens? Then if you see, AM is the height of triangle APC, right? And also AM is also the height of this triangle, right? Which is triangle QPC, right? See, I brought, okay, not QPC. We need to bring AQC into the AM. AM is also the height of this triangle, AQC, right? AM is the height of, let me draw once again. If you see, this AM is the height of APC, this triangle, right? And it is also the height of AQC, right? That means these two triangles have the same height, AM, isn't it? That means the ratio of the areas must be equal to ratio of their bases. But what are the ratio of the bases? Which one is the base of triangle APC? This entire length is the base of triangle APC. Which is the ratio of area, which is the base of triangle AQC? Only this length, right? But what do we know? We know this length is to this length, right? So let us find out from the given ratio, AP is to AQ. That means this length is to this length, right? So we can find this out from this given ratio, right? So let's write QA by PQ. We have QA by PQ is equal to 5, right? Now if I add 1 to both sides, QA by PQ, if I add 1 to both sides, I'll get, now if I take LCM on the left hand side, I'll get QA plus PQ is equal to 6, right? And what is QA plus PQ? QA plus PQ is this entire length, AP, is equal to AP by PQ is equal to 6. Call this 3, right? So we have got AP by PQ. So AP is what? Why did I find out AP by PQ? I found out AP by PQ because I knew that AP was the base of triangle APC and AQ was the base of triangle AQC, right? That is why I found out the ratio of both. So now, considering CM as the height, what can I write the ratio of the areas? I can write, therefore, area of triangle, the bigger triangle here, APC, divided by area of triangle AQC must be equal to ratio of the bases, AP by PQ, right? But what is this ratio? From 3, area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle AQC is equal to, what is this ratio? 6, right? From
Yes,
3.
sir.
That means now in ratio form, if I want to write, I can write this as area of triangle APC is to area of triangle AQC is equal to 6:1, right? Call this 4, right? Now see, I've got two ratios here. This is one ratio
Excuse
that
me,
I've got.
sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Ayushi got disconnected by mistake. Sir, can you please let her in?
Okay. So AP, this is one ratio that we have got, right? What is the other ratio that we have got? This, right? Let's write down these two ratios. So so that I'm writing down these two ratios because it will fall into your eyes. Okay, so from 2, ABP is to APC. How much have we got above? We have got this as 1:2. Now from 4, area of triangle APC is to area of triangle AQC is equal to 6:1, right? Now see, APC and APC, these two are the same, right? But here the quantities are different. So how do you make this ratio equal? How do you make this ratio equal? From 2, what can you write? I want to make this and this same, right? So I need to multiply 2 by 3. So area of triangle ABP is to area of triangle APC is equal to, I need to multiply this 2 by 3, but when I'm multiplying this 2 by 3, I need to multiply this also by 3, right? So 3:6. And we write this ratio as it is. 4. Area of triangle APC is to area of triangle AQC is equal to 6:1. So what is the ratio of the area of the three triangles? So therefore, area of triangle ABP is to area of triangle APC is to area of triangle AQC is equal to 3:6:1. All of you agree with me or not? You have done ratios, right? You know how to make
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this A is to B ratio if it is given to you. And if you have B is to C ratio given to you, then you can find A is to B is to C, isn't it? By making these two same, isn't it? So that is what I have done here. Now, once I get the ratio of these three areas, now I can say let area of triangle ABP is equal to 3K, right? Area of triangle APC is equal to 6K. Area of triangle AQC is equal to K, right? So now let's see. ABP is 3K. So let's write it in the figure. AB, ABP, this area is 3K. Okay. Next, we have APC as 6K. So this entire area here is 6K, right? And what else? I have AQC. AQC, this area is K. And this entire area is 6K, right? What ratio do we have to find? We have to find AQC, right? AQC we know, the area is K. And triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle ABC? This entire area, 3K plus 6K plus 3K plus 6K only, right? Because this entire area is 6K, right? And this area is 3K. So therefore, this entire area is 9K, isn't it?
90.
So we write, therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 3K plus 6K, which is equal to 9K. And what is the ratio we have to find? AQC is to ABC. So let's write down the ratio. Hence, area of triangle AQC by area of triangle ABC is equal to, how much is the area of triangle AQC? K. How much is the area of ABC? 9K, right? So that means we are getting this area as 1:9. Isn't it? AQC is the area that we need to find. Yes, AQC. AQC area is, yes. Yes, this is 1:9. So that means ratio of these two areas is 1:9. And that is the required ratio. Okay. So I'll stop here.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in the book, the answer is given the ratio is 5:9.
5:9. Just let me check here then.
Yeah.
When I'm writing this area here, this should be PQC, isn't it? PQC, right? APC by PQC. APC, APC by PQC. Ratio of these two, uh, because here PQ is the base of which triangle? PQ is the base of PQC, isn't it? So that is why
Yes,
this
sir.
should be PQC. So let's change this, all this. So this should be triangle PQC. The ratio is okay. Only the notation part is wrong. So this should be PQC. Okay. And this should also be PQC. So we have got the ratio as area of ABP is to APC is to PQC. So I'm writing these area in terms of K. ABP is 3K, right? APC is 6K and PQC must be equal to K, right? So now let's see what are the areas. ABP is 3K. ABP is, this area is 3K, right? Next we have got APC as 6K. So this entire area here is 6K. That means the area of triangle ABC is 3K plus 6K. This is okay, right? Next, what is the area that we need to find out? Area of triangle AQC we have to find out, right? This. So let's find out area of triangle AQC. Area of triangle ABC we have already found out. So area of triangle AQC. Which one is triangle AQC? Let's see. AQC is this triangle, right? So what is this entire area is, I think 6K, right? And this area is K. So this area should be 5K, 6K minus K.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now the ratio of the areas will become 5K by 9K. So this is 5 by 9. The ratio of the areas will be 5:9. Fine. So that was a small error there. So I'll stop here now.